Hi everyone, I'm Chef Rose Deneen and I am a pastry chef. I'm also a pastry professor at a local college and a cookbook author. And today we're baking with vegetables, which of course is my cookbook. And I'm going to show you how to take everyday baked goods that you might make and incorporate or sneak vegetables into them just to get a little bit more in your daily serving. All right, so let's go. So I have some leftover corn from dinner last night. So this is about 2/3 cup. And I'm really going to kick it up and throw a little bit of roasted red pepper in. So this is about 1 tablespoon of chopped up roasted red pepper. And I'm simply using a cornbread mix to make some cornbread. And what a great way. The corn will add some great texture to the cornbread, and the red pepper, of course, color, and a wonderful flavor as well. So super easy. I'm just going to whisk the egg, whisk in my milk, just following the package directions. Oil, I'm using olive oil. It's going to be healthier, of course. Kind of blend that a little bit. Add the dry mix, which is cornmeal, flour, I'm sure some sugar as well. And so now I'm just going to add in that corn. And that's what's great. You know, don't ever get rid of a little bit of leftover vegetables from dinner. You can certainly find ways to incorporate them into your baked goods, but also maybe you're doing soup the next day, so adding that. So always keep that little bit of leftover vegetable. And if you watch my other videos, I'm going to give you lots of different vegetables you can do with lots of different baked goods. And not only sweet treats, but certainly things like this cornbread, biscuits, yeast spreads. All right, that is it. And this is going to taste great. Been jazzed up a little bit. I'm going to pour it into the pan and bake. And a way to use up my leftover corn and some peppers I had in the house. So hope you enjoyed. Come back for more videos and happy baking. Bye.